Hello everyone, this is Moro, and this should be the fourth video in the Make Your Own Comic website tutorial. I believe I left you off on this page where you see the theme. This is the theme folder. Let me just click back of your WordPress. So again, go to themes, and you should see something like this. Since on your example, or at least what you are seeing, you should see 2015, 2017, 2016. You won't have a comic example or YT demo comic. But if you do, all you have to do is just follow these instructions. Oop, not. So just open up a folder. And for this right comic example, I already have it up. So if I just do it, nothing's going to happen. So on yours, write comic example. I'm just going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now open it up. Again, yours will be comic example. All right. I'm just doing this so I can, start over. Just show you step by step. So just create a file. So go to File, Create index.php, create a file, create another file, create style, period CSS, cool, create another file, header.php, create another file, footer.css, and now do a folder and name it CSS. Do another folder and name it template or templates. Or, you know what? We do template. I don't think it matters. And also another file. Functions. Make sure you spell it correctly. And am I missing anything? Let me look around. Index PHP, header, function, style, index. Alright. So let's click refresh. Let's see what happens. Okay, so now going back to your WordPress, theme display, you should now see a new theme named. And again, on your example, you should have named it comic example. On mine, I just named it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so I can just create a new one. Okay, remember, yours was comic example. You should be seeing comic example. All right, I can't stress that enough. All right, and now let's. All right, you should see a couple of other things. So images, make an image folder on your account or on your theme folder, and just create a file that's named searchform.php. You'll see why on another tutorial video when we start doing our header. So that's empty. If you want to start now, if you already have your logo already, picked out, download, just, upload your logo design. It can be a JPEG, PNG, doesn't matter. Well, I would say go with a PNG, if you have a blank background. If you're using it's just, well, you should know what I mean by now. And just create it, upload it. Make sure, for our examples, it needs to be 200 pixels wide, 100 pixels in height. And then create a search icon. That just make it a square. It can be like 300 by 300, and just draw a magnifying glass. I'm sure you've seen them before. Something like this. Again, this is just the logo. If you don't have a logo ready yet, just do what I did. Just 200 by 100. And just write logo. And I don't believe I went in too much detail. Nothing too hard. This is just the first part. I don't want to overwhelm you. So we can just stop right here, and that's all you have to do right now. All right? Bye-bye.